Hey everyone, back here with another haul. This one was at Real Canadian again. So I'm gonna give you a rundown of the deals that I got for all these items. So we'll start here on the left side. So the Frito-Lay pack with several different flavors of chips. At Real Canadian, it was $6.98. It ended up being $6.86, I believe, at Walmart. So I price matched, and I had a $2 off coupon. So it ends up being $4.86. The Colgate toothpastes and toothbrushes are $1 each at Real Canadian. And when you purchase $10 worth of the Colgate items, you get back 4,000 points. So I bought 10 of these ones and 10 of these ones. So I got back $4. So they end up being 60 cents each. I got a coupon to try this gnocchi for free. So this was $4.98, I believe. So that one was completely free. Ben & Jerry's is on sale for $3.97 each at Walmart. So I price matched Walmart. I also had a coupon for $2 off when you purchase two. So that was $1 off each. And Real Canadian was having an offer where when you buy two, you get 2,000 points. So I got $2 off and I got $2 back in points. So they ended up being, I believe, $1 something or two something each. So the cheese here, we got the 3 bricks of cheese and then 8 of the slices. So I had $1 off coupon for every single one. And then Real Canadian had it for the cheapest, and they had an offer where when you spend $15 worth, you get back $7.50, so 7,500 points. So I got back $7.50 here, $7.50 here, and then $7.50 here. So these ended up being $1 something each, and these ended up being 2 something each. And then last but not least, this here is a product that I got for free, and I got paid around $3 to try it and just to review it. I'm actually going to make a video about this company that I am working with here. And that'll be a whole separate video. But anyways, you essentially get paid a little bit of money to get a product. So the product is completely free and you just get paid like $2 to $3 each time to just review it. So I'm going to do a review about this, not on here, just like through their website. But like I said, that will be a separate video. But this was originally, it was $20.89 at the store, not Real Canadian. It was at Ambrosia Natural Foods, $20.89. And then the company is paying me $23 total. So I'm getting a little bit back to review it. So yeah, so the grand total for this haul here, I'm really excited about the Colgate, by the way, just to stock up. I was telling my husband we'll never have to buy toothpaste for the rest of our lives again now. But at 60 cents each, like really, how can you not stock up? So the grand total before coupons and price matching was $117.16. And then because I got the money back for trying this out, all of the coupons, all the price matching, and all of the points, I ended up paying $38.46, which is a savings of $78.70. So if you guys have any questions at all, please leave them down in the comment section below. Anything, and I can help you guys out. Have a great weekend. See you soon.